Hi everyone, it's Ryan from Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll show you how to create live stickers on your iPhone. Most people are familiar with creating static stickers, but today we're focusing on making animated or live stickers. It's a fun way to bring your photos to life, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll need some live photos on your iPhone. If you don't already have any, no worries. Just go ahead and take a few live photos of whatever subject you want. It's best to pick something with a clear subject that you can easily turn into a sticker. Once you've got your live photo ready, go to the Photos app, find the image, and hold your finger down on the subject in the photo. The subject will separate from the background and become highlighted. This is how you know it's ready to be turned into a sticker. Once your subject is selected, tap the Add Sticker button that appears. This saves the sticker directly to your iPhone's keyboard, where you can retrieve it anytime. The cool thing is that since it's a live photo, the sticker will actually move, making it an animated sticker that you can use in supported apps. You can also add some effects to your sticker. There are a few built-in options, like adding a white outline or giving it a more cartoonish look. These effects can give your live sticker a bit more personality. If you want even more control over your stickers, you can download a sticker app from the App Store. There are a lot of options out there, but keep in mind that most of them include ads and offer in-app purchases like subscriptions. Because of that, I don't have any particular app to recommend, but feel free to explore them to see which one works best for you. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. It really supports the channel. See you later!